Lesson 70, solving inequalities by multiplying or dividing. No, solving. This is S. Okay, so for real numbers, A, B, and C, and C is greater than 0. So if A is less than B, then A times C is still less than B times C. And A divided by C is still less than B divided by C. And it's also true for less than or equal to, or greater than or equal to. So let's say we had 1/2 of x is greater than 8. Well, if I multiply both sides by 2, and 2 is greater than 0, so I can just say this, x is greater than 16. Now here is a twist. If c is less than 0, we have to switch the sign. So for real numbers, A, B, and C is less than 0. So if C is negative, if A is less than B, then A times C is bigger than B times C, and A divided by C is going to be bigger than B divided by C, or is greater than. And then this one is true for less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. So here's an example. If we had negative 5y is greater than or equal to 25. Now I'm going to want to divide by negative 5. When we divide by a number that is negative, we have to flip the sign to be less than or equal to negative 5. Now I want to show you an example where if I had that exact problem, if I subtract 25 from both sides, I get negative 5y minus 25 is greater than 0. Then I'm going to add 5y, and I get negative 25 is greater than 5y. When I divide by a positive 5, I get negative 5 is greater than y, which is, oops, I forgot to put or equal to all along here. There we go. And these two are equal. Y is less than or equal to negative 5, or negative 5 is greater than or equal to y. So this is kind of showing you two different ways to solve that. You just have to remember, this is so important. If you divide or multiply by a negative number, flip the sign in inequality. And that's the end of the lesson.